Hello guys, welcome. So in this video we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook without using Anaconda. So for this installing Jupyter Notebook, we need some prerequisites. That is, you have to install the Python in the custom location. So I will show you where I have installed the Python. Here you can see defaultly while we are installing the Python, it will automatically install inside the program files. But I have created a separate folder for Python and I have installed the Python inside this folder. So for this installation process, I have created a separate video. So you can go through this video and then you can start installing this Jupyter Notebook. So let's start installing it. I will open a command prompt and I will type pip install Jupyter. Now it is start installing. Let's wait for few minutes. Okay. Now the Jupyter notebook is installed. Let's try to open it. I will go to my Python installed location. Let's open scripts. So here I have find Jupyter notebook installation file. So I will create a shortcut for this file. The shortcut is created. Try to open it. Now the Jupyter notebook is opened. Again, I will create a shortcut here. I named it as Jupyter the bracket Python. I will mention the Python version as well. 13.7. It's created. So it is created in the desktop. Let's copy it again. Yes. So now the Jupyter shortcut is created in the desktop. Let's edit this shortcut. I will change this target information. So like I will give C colon Windows System 32 slash cmd.exe and it will run our Jupyter file. So Jupyter notebook file which is installed inside our Python, right? So it will be run. So for that only we are giving this target and then I will give a start in location. So while we are opening the Jupyter notebook, where it should be start. So for that I need to give the start location. I have given the start location and I will click on this apply and click OK. So now the Jupyter notebook is successfully installed. Let me close the existing one and I will close this command prompt also. Okay. Now I am trying to open the Jupyter notebook using this shortcut. Now see here our Jupyter notebook is successfully installed. Thank you. Thanks for watching.